Hi, I'm Christine, and I've been teaching the Filipino language to foreigners for more than 10 years now. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino for Tourists and Expats. Piso is used with the numbers in Filipino. So for example, you see dalawampu. Dalawampu is 20. Okay? So you want to say 20 pesos in Filipino. So you use dalawampu and the word piso, which is peso in Filipino. So 20 pesos is dalawampung piso. So for example, you want to say 100 pesos. So 100 is isang daan. Okay? 100, the number 100 is isang daan. Okay? You want to say 100 pesos. Okay? So since isang daan is Filipino, you add the currency piso in Filipino. So you see 100 pesos in Filipino is sangdaang piso. Sandaang piso. Okay? So both examples, dalawampung piso and sandaang piso, okay, you will see in the Philippine money. Okay, so you will see that's one. Those are two of our denominations. So we have the bill, 20 peso bill. Oh, by the way, there's also a coin for that one. And then there's also 100 pesos or isang daang piso in bill. Piso is also used to mean 1 peso. So if you're referring to only 1 peso, okay, so if you say piso, piso also refers to 1 peso. Okay? So when you say, do you have piso? Okay, that means, do you have 1 peso? When do you use peso and pesos? Peso is singular, okay? Pesos plural. Now, when you say peso, again, that is the international name or the Philippine currency known all over the world. The word pesos, plural of peso, is used together with the numbers in Spanish and in English. Thank you so much. Until the next video.